presence of a street on the east of a property is considered a positive location. This is because the east direction is usually unobstructed by other properties, allowing for a clear view of the morning sun. This can have a positive impact on the energy of the property. Therefore, having a street on the east can be advantageous in terms of energy and overall desirability of the property. Streets on east and west of a plot is good if main entrance is in east. Streets on east, west and north are good and foster wealth and prosperity. Main gate should be on north and more open space in north and east than in south and west. In addition to having a street on the east, a north-facing property can also be considered positive. This is because the north direction is usually unobstructed, allowing for a free flow of cosmic energy. This can have a positive impact on the energy and overall desirability of the property. Therefore, a property with a clear view of the north direction can be advantageous in terms of energy and overall appeal. It is considered auspicious for a property to have streets on the northeast side, and the main entrance should either be on the east side with more space in the north, or on the north side with more space in the east. Additionally, it is believed that if the two roads are at the same level as the property or lower, the site is considered to be potentially auspicious. However, if the roads are higher than the building, it is believed that this may lead to financial loss or infertility issues for the occupants. Streets on north-south are good if main entrance is in north. Street on north, south and east of plot is very good and should have main entrance on east. Having streets or roads on the north and west of a plot is considered favorable for financial prosperity. However, it is important to note that the placement of the main entrance plays a crucial role in determining the overall energy of the plot. A north-facing main entrance combined with more space in the north and east is considered neutral and can be a good option. The location of a site on the south side may result in issues, as the roads leading to the site should not be situated at a lower elevation. A site located in the southeast direction is considered favorable for a women's organization. However, it is important to note that having streets or roads in the south and east of the plot may lead to excessive spending on entertainment for the inhabitants. Moreover, a south-facing main entrance may exacerbate this issue. On the other hand, an entrance on the east combined with more space in the east and north can help mitigate this problem. A site located in the southwest direction is known as a southwest site. It is generally considered unfavorable for residential purposes due to the presence of streets or roads in the south and west directions. However, having a west-facing main entrance can make it more suitable for residential purposes. It is important to note that a south-facing main entrance may result in heavy financial losses. According to Vastu, this zone should be blocked, but in certain situations, it may not be feasible. While the southwest side may not be ideal for residential purposes, It can be a good option for business purposes. It is advisable to avoid sites where the roads are lower than the plot level, as it can lead to various issues like ill health, accidents, and criminal activities. Streets on southwest and north are good, and location of main gate should be on west. Moreover, east should have more open space than other do. A property located in the west location can be considered neutral, as it blocks the view of the north and east directions, while having a clear view of the morning sun from the east direction is desirable. A west location site may not offer this advantage.